Exercise 25. A company purchases machinery for $50,000. So they bought this machinery for $50,000. The value of the machinery depreciates by 12%. 12% depreciation each year. Which of the following is closest to the estimated value of the machinery 3 years after it was purchased? So we have 50,000 to be the original value. After 1 year, it depreciates by 12%. So this means that loses 12% of its value, which at the same time means that it keeps 88% of its value. So in order to find the new value, I should multiply new value is the old value times 0.88, which is equal to 88%. Okay, so after 1 year, it would be 50,000 multiplied by 0.88. After 2 years, it would be the previous one, which is 50,000 times 0.88, and that again multiplied by 0.88. And finally, after 3 years, it's going to be the value of the second year, which is times 0.88 times 0.88, and all that multiplied by 0.88 again. So overall, it should be 50,000 multiplied by 0.88 cubed. And now I'm gonna bring my calculator to do this operation. Of course, I can do it in Desmos as well. Times 0.88 to the power of 3. And this is 34,073. 34,073.6 that was, which means that the closest one is B.